If you love cruisers but hate constant repairs, this list is your dream come true. These motorcycles are built tough, stylish, and reliable, giving you pure riding pleasure without the headache of endless maintenance. Let's dive into 7 cruisers you can ride worry-free for years. Number 1. Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 is the definition of modern reliability paired with classic cruiser attitude. Honda's engineering ensures durability while the liquid-cooled 1084cc parallel-twin engine delivers smooth and powerful performance thanks to its ride-by-wire throttle, cruise control, and multiple ride modes. It balances comfort with cutting-edge technology. Maintenance is simplified with Honda's proven design philosophy, meaning you spend less time in the garage and more on the road. The Rebel 1100 also shines with its ergonomic seating and low center of gravity, making it accessible for both new and experienced riders. Whether for city rides or highway cruises, it delivers power, comfort, and legendary Honda reliability. Number 2. Yamaha V Star 250. The Yamaha V Star 250 is a lightweight cruiser built for riders who want efficiency and long-term dependability. Its 249cc air-cooled V-twin is simple yet bulletproof, delivering consistent performance with minimal upkeep. The bike's low seat height and manageable weight make it perfect for beginners, while experienced riders will love its agility in city traffic. Yamaha designed the V Star with durability in mind, using a time-tested carbureted system and low-maintenance belt drive. Add in its outstanding fuel efficiency and classic cruiser styling, and you get a bike that's as easy on your wall as it is on maintenance. The V Star 250 proves that sometimes less really is more when it comes to stress-free riding. Number 3. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S stands out for blending cruiser style with sporty versatility. Powered by a 649cc parallel-twin engine, it offers smooth acceleration and proven Kawasaki durability. Its standout feature is the ErgoFIT system, allowing riders of different heights and builds to adjust seating and controls for the perfect fit. Maintenance is made easy thanks to liquid cooling and robust engine components designed for long life. The Vulcan S is an excellent option for riders who want a cruiser that doesn't compromise on reliability or adaptability. It's equally at home cruising highways or navigating daily commutes, with Kawasaki's dependability giving you peace of mind. Number 4. Triumph Bonneville Bobber. The Triumph Bonneville Bobber is more than just stunning retro design. It's built to last. With a 1200cc parallel-twin engine tuned for strong torque, this bike feels powerful yet smooth on every ride. Triumph uses premium components and meticulous engineering to ensure reliability matches its classic style. Riders appreciate its simple, uncluttered design, which reduces potential maintenance issues, while features like ride-by-wire throttle and switchable traction control add a modern layer of safety. The Bobber's unique floating, single-seat and stripped-down aesthetic give it timeless appeal, but behind the look is a motorcycle crafted to handle years of use with minimal hassle. It's style and substance in one package. Number 5. Harley Davidson Sportster. The Harley Davidson Sportster is legendary for its simplicity and ruggedness. Its Evolution V-twin engine is known for reliability and easy maintenance, making it one of Harley's most enduring models. The Sportster combines raw character with durability, offering riders that signature Harley rumble without constant mechanical worries. Built to last, it's supported by one of the strongest aftermarket parts networks, meaning repairs and upgrades are straightforward if ever needed. Its lightweight frame and responsive handling make it versatile, comfortable for city rides yet tough enough for longer trips. For riders who want the Harley experience with fewer headaches, the Sportster has proven itself again and again. Number 6. Indian Scout Bobber. The Indian Scout Bobber blends American muscle with reliability. Its 1,133cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine is powerful yet built for durability, requiring less frequent maintenance compared to older air-cooled cruisers. With stripped-down styling, a low stance, and premium build quality, it embodies the rugged spirit of Indian motorcycles. The Scout Bobber offers smooth power delivery and modern features like electronic fuel injection, ensuring consistent performance in all conditions. Built with robust materials and backed by Indian's engineering, it delivers confidence that the bike won't let you down. Riders choose the Scout Bobber not only for its aggressive looks, but for the assurance of years of reliable cruising. Number 7. Yamaha Bolt R-Spec. The Yamaha Bolt R-Spec is a minimalist cruiser with proven Yamaha dependability. Its air-cooled 942cc V-twin engine is engineered for long life, offering smooth torque and an authentic cruiser feel without complicated electronics. With a slim frame, low seat, and responsive handling, it's easy to ride while maintaining a tough, classic look. Yamaha's focus on durability means fewer repair worries, as this bike's design keeps things straight, forward, and robust. The R-Spec version adds upgraded suspension and stylish finishes, giving you performance and looks without compromising on reliability. For riders who want a strong, stylish cruiser with minimal maintenance demands, the Bolt R-Spec is a top choice.